Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM21 won't switch on, you're likely experiencing a common issue related to the power cable. Over time, the cable can become damaged or frayed, preventing the device from receiving power. If this issue isn't addressed promptly, it could lead to further complications or even total failure of your device. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools: a screwdriver set compatible with your Thermomix, a replacement cable suitable for the TM21, some electrical tape, and a pair of scissors. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any risk of electric shock. Begin by locating the screws at the base of the device. Carefully remove these screws using the appropriate screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off the Thermomix. Be cautious during this process, as there may be wires connected to the cover. Now, locate the power cable. It's usually attached to the main circuit board. Inspect it for any visible signs of damage. If you find that the cable is frayed or broken, it's time to replace it. To remove the faulty cable, carefully disconnect it from the board by pulling on the connector, ensuring you don't tug on any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old cable removed, take your new power cable and connect it to the same port on the circuit board. Make sure it's securely attached. Once connected, use electrical tape to tidy up any exposed wires and to prevent them from touching other components. After ensuring everything is in place, carefully replace the cover of your Thermomix, ensuring not to pinch any wires in the process. Reinsert the screws to secure the cover back in place. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on to check if it works. If it powers up, congratulations on completing the repair. To avoid this issue in the future, consider regularly checking the condition of your power cable and avoid overextending or bending it excessively. Protect your device by storing it safely when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.